So here comes another Helstons unboxing, a bit connected to the last one I did, and a bit of a matching gloves for my light brown, more dressed up boots. But I also think those gloves here looks really cool, and I think they will be nice even to other color combinations. So those are the Helstons Condor gloves, and in the tan or light brown color. They also come with this belt strap that you can put on your belt or in your pants, so you can take them with you in the belt. Just clip them together and put them in this strap or buckle. Yeah, really nice. They do feel really soft and a bit more casual than my other motorcycle gloves. I think they will be pretty nice summer gloves. Really liking the look and feel of those. Yeah, one thing I'm not sure of is the placement of those straps for connecting the gloves together. One is on the inside here, and I guess it could be a bit cold against your skin or just feel a bit flappy. And on the left hand it's on the upper side. That might be an annoyance in the future, I'm not sure. We'll find out when I try them on the bike. Yeah, maybe they could have found a better placement for those